So Fede, everything is political. The politics of hair and language and how professionalism is used as a political tool. Steve Biko says it best. The most potent weapon in the hands of the oppressor is the mind of the oppressed. Yang tol. So growing up, I used to think ukuthi professionalism has no race, no culture, no gender, and no identity. Yang tol, professionalism is just professionalism. But now, isn't just it different? Yang tol. Who decides ukuthi professional hair looks like this? Who decides ukuthi what professionalism sounds like? Yangithola. Who decides ukuthi ukukhuluma isiZulu is unprofessional? Ukuthetha isiXhosa is unprofessional. Hubua Sesotho is unprofessional and hubulela Setswana is unprofessional. But to speak English is professional. Who decides? Yabo? So obvious. I've came to the conclusion or I've came to the realization ukuthi professionalism is about conformity. Yabo? Conforming to the people already in power. Yangithola. Professionalism is not about professionalism, it's about acceptability. So the question is, are you maybe you must change your hair, you must change how you sound. Are you becoming more professional or are you becoming more acceptable? Is professionalism about professionality or is it about being accepted by the people already in power? Who decides what professional hair and what professional language sounds like?